Hey travelers, today I'm going to take you on a tour of the rooms at the 𝖬𝗂𝗎 Palace, Baja, California. It's important to note that all of the rooms have the exact same layout. The only difference is the view that you might get. And if you are elite club, then those rooms, well, not only do they have a much better view, but you also have a little bit different amenities in the room. So let's go and check them out. This is a junior suite garden view at the 𝖬𝗂ާ Palace, Baja, California. So we do have kind of an open concept bathroom in that you have a bathtub in the middle of the room. But overall, it's not too bad because you do have a door for the bathroom, for the toilet. And then on this side, you've got a dual vanity with some toiletries and a hairdryer, and then a fully frosted glass door for the shower, a very large shower. And then got also a makeup mirror. For the closet, there's quite a bit of space. There's tons of hangers and a large safe on that side. This is the minibar setup. So yeah, beefeater gin, Bacardi, rum, 𝖱𝗂ާ 𝖯𝖺chi𝖺 Jose Cuervo, coffee maker, regular coffee maker, not those pod things. And which actually I prefer that. Oh, look at that! Nice welcome bottle of champagne. And some Pepsi products is what they have. So it's Pepsi, there's Diet Pepsi in there, and this is 7-Up, as well as sparkling water. And then you have 𝖍𝖾𝗇𝖽's and Canada Dry tonic water, as well as bottled water. And then you have space for your luggage here. Nice big screen TV. There is a ceiling fan. This is the air conditioning, automated. Lots of storage space. King size bed. And of course we have the charger plug-in right by this bedside. And same on this side. Bed, or not sofa bed, but a couch. Sitting area, which is always nice, you know, if you want to read a book, whatever, get out of the sun for a bit. We are closest to the front desk, so it's actually not bad. It's away from the 𝖬𝗂 party. If I can figure out how to open the door, you know me, this is always challenging. Last time I was trying to pull it when it was a push. There we go, magic. And got a couple of chairs out here, a place to hang your wet clothes. That's actually the entryway. It's just a vacant lot here, which is, I don't mind that. Got a lovely view of the rocks that make up the arch, and a nice little breeze going on. So this is the reverse view of the room. So we're going to check out an elite club room. Oh, here we go. So really, really spacious, and they have nice aromatherapy as well. And then it's a sort of an open concept bathroom, but it's not too bad. It does have a door for the toilet, and then it's a frosted glass door for the shower. I mean, if you were here with a girlfriend, you could, just shut the shower door and get changed. And I mean, you can't see through that. You can't see through to where the towels are, so it's still pretty private. Got a hairdryer, dual vanity, robes and slippers. That's something you don't get at the lower 𝖬𝗂 resorts, at the 𝖬R standards. And then you've got a bathtub in the middle of the room. I don't really do baths anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. And then the closet, we have, let's make this bigger for you. There you go. So tons, oh, there's even more hangers back there. There's a decent sized safe, handily fit a laptop. You have the minibar, which has upgraded alcohol. As well as the snacks, and these are replaced daily. And then the mini fridge. So again, we're talking Pepsi products and Coors Light and 𝖍𝖾yi's, lots of water. Minibar here is replenished daily, At the 𝖬𝗂𝗎 𝖯𝖺chi𝖺 because it's only done once every 2 days. We've got modern plugins, so you've got USB and a plug-in right beside the bed. This is a gift for the guests. Big screen TV. Oh, and it's a smart TV too, so you can do your Netflix, or probably you can watch YouTube. You can watch one of my videos on there. You get a bottle of champagne upon arrival, and you can ask for that to be replenished if you want more on another day. And this is the balcony. And what a view. So this is pool and ocean view. You can see just around the corner is a cruise ship. And if you come here between December and March, you're almost guaranteed to see whales. Okay, so as you saw in the Elite Club room, they do also have the bathrobe and slippers. The slippers are only available for Elite Club guests, but in the regular rooms, such as this one, you don't have the bathrobes in them, but you can request that. All you have to do is phone down to room service or to the front desk, and they can arrange to have that brought up to you, so no worries there. But otherwise, with Elite Club, then you do get some extra benefits. I'm going to do a totally separate video on that. But this just gives you an idea of the spacious rooms that they have here at the 𝖬𝗂𝗎 Palace, Baja, California. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And before you go, be sure to check out this video about the different buffets that they have here at the 𝖬ආ Palace, Baja, California. I bet you it makes you hungry.